Hi there, this is Prankmar and you are watching Prankmar Vakshala's YouTube channel. So now we are going to prepare rose milk, which is my favorite. For that there is chilled milk 500 ml. Don't see the company because I am not promoting. I am trying to do the rose milk and show you how it is made. And for that I have taken rose syrup from the Mala's brand actually. So let me first of all cut the milk and pour it to the utensil I have also taken 1 spoon to mix. I am not adding any water. Also UHT milk is not like full cream milk or double cream milk, but better than tone milk I think. And we can use directly, no need of heating the milk. You can check the UHT related matter for that. So now for that half liter I am going to take 4 tablespoons of rose milk. Actually I have searched this information in Gemini, using Gemini, thanks to Gemini and Google Alphabet. So let me add 4 tablespoons of rose syrup. Let me mix it well. By checking the color quality, let me taste it. A spoon of milk. I think this is enough taste. Enough. That's it, perfect. And also this is simple video of rose milk. You can do like this, and also you can add 1 scoop of ice cream. For that you need to reduce a little bit of rose syrup, and no need of adding sugar to it because the syrup is already very sweet. So let me pour it in a glass. You can also add sabjas for it if you want. So that's it for the video. Also I have added a new audio device to this video. You can check and tell me how is it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.